How to change Telegram default web browser. So if you want to change the Telegram default web browser, then first you need to open up your Telegram application. Once you open up your Telegram, go with the upper left, which has that 3-bar icon. Go with settings. Once you're under the settings, you need to scroll down, go with data and storage. Once you're under data and storage, you need to scroll down and go with proxy settings. And make sure it is turned off. And here you may have an option of open links with, but in some devices you won't have that option. But if you don't have that option, don't worry. You need to simply open up your settings. Under settings, you need to go with search, and under search you need to search for open links and tap on open links, and you will get this kind of interface. So you just need to simply go and search for Telegram, and here you will have Telegram. And under that, now here you will have open supported links. You need to toggle it on. Once you toggle it on, then this Telegram will allow the web links to open in the application. So that's how you can change Telegram default web browser. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.